Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do meatballs with tzatziki sauce. My way. Let's start. The ingredients are very basic. I got here 240 grams of Greek yogurt. I'll put this on the side. We use that for the tzatziki sauce. A cucumber, again for tzatziki sauce. A bit of lemon, some dill, and 1 clove of garlic. Now for the meatballs, I will show you straight away in a bowl how we do them. 250 grams of beef or pork mince, breadcrumb. I got here 30 grams. I use panko, garlic powder, milk 60-70 milliliters, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna roughly chop this parsley. Next time I'll choose a better knife for sure. Put the parsley in and make sure you have clean hands and mix it all together. And it's ready. I'm not gonna do very small size because I like the meatballs to be quite big, and I'm gonna flatten them out. I'm not gonna leave them necessarily balls, so they're gonna look like this. This is the size. I will put them to cook, and in the meanwhile we're gonna do the tzatziki sauce. I put in a pan around half a liter of oil. Make sure it's hot but not too hot. And we go in with the meatballs nicely. I'm gonna cook this on each side for 4 to 5 minutes. Till the meatballs are cooking nicely, I'm gonna do the tzatziki sauce and I'm gonna show you the easiest way. I got here a grater. I'm gonna take a cucumber, a tiny one. On the same grater, but on the small one, I'm gonna do the garlic clove. This is another reason why I don't put too much garlic in the meatballs, because if I eat them with the tzatziki, it has already garlic in. Now, I got here the dill. I never cut it, I always break it nicely. We're gonna put a drop of lemon. Gonna put some flaky sea salt. And a drop of good quality olive oil. Mix this very gently. And now we can go in with our yogurt. We mix this well. And we got an amazing tzatziki sauce. You saw it's ready in 1 minute. Let's see how the meatballs doing. After 4 or 5 minutes, at this stage, we need to flip them on the other side. They look nice. Another 4 or 5 minutes and it's ready to be served. Now the meatballs are ready, so I'm gonna take them out one by one nicely. Look. So for the plating, it's not the case for the plating, but I'm gonna show you how I serve it and how I eat it. I got here some lovely paratha bread, which I just cook now. You take a meatball, you break it, you can see it's nice and fluffy inside. Take another one. We put some lovely tzatziki on top. And we break some parsley. Fresh parsley. We fold this up, and this is our meatballs with tzatziki sauce. Thank you all of you who watched this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please let me know in the comments. If you didn't, you can ask absolutely anything you want regarding the recipe or other recipes which I post on my channel. If you didn't subscribe, please do it right now, right here. And now it's time for the taste test. Let's see. Look at this. In my opinion, it's the perfect combination. It's lovely. Perfect comfort food.